How to use Rankmath Pro SEO plugin. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I am going to be showing you how you can use Rankmath Pro SEO plugin. It's a simple tutorial for you guys to help you create your own plugin for your WordPress site or any other website as well. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you will simply go to rankmath.com and you will land on this platform right here. Rankmath is the most powerful way to get best WordPress SEO tools, and you can simply add them to your website. It has a lot of different tools to help you with the SEO purpose of your website and helps your website to rank in the first results of Google search. So we will be able to find the keywords, and you can also get a good customer support. You will be able to get a lot of different tools with your rank math. With rank math, you will be getting an SEO analyzer, Google search console, keyword ranking, and then secure code and privacy as well. And then there is 24/7 customer support as well. So what you have to do is you will simply download rank math for free. So I will simply click right here on download for free, and it will be downloaded, and then we can simply add our this tool to our WordPress website, whatever your WordPress website is. So you can see right here, it will just take a few seconds to download. So if when it's downloading, I'm gonna actually go ahead and show you the pricing plan for rank math, because we will be adding our pro to our WordPress. So let's go to the pricing really quickly so you will have a better idea about the affordability of the tool. Now it's actually everything is on sale right now because it's like off. Previously it was 129, but right now we're just getting the pro of rank math in just $59 per year. You can see right here we are getting unlimited personal website. We are not just getting one website with rank math, but we can actually get unlimited websites with our first pro plan. And then we have 24/7 customer support, we have 500 keyword track, then we have the next plan is a business plan, which is going to be $199 per year, and then we have an agency plan, which is going to be $499 per month. So of course the features increase with the pricing. We can actually add up to 100 clients, and with the business plan we can actually add 500 clients. So this is actually pretty amazing. Then we have track 10,000 keywords and 50,000 keywords as well. So this is the pricing plan for rank math. You can simply go ahead and get any of the plan you want to. I'm gonna go ahead and I am going with this plan right here. So this is the pro plan. Now when you get the pro plan, I will show you what are the different tools and features we will be getting in the pro plan. So with the pro plan we get up to 500 of keywords, and then we also have the free plan right here. So I'm gonna actually right now I'm gonna sign up for the free plan, but you will simply buy the pro, because with the pro we get a lot of different options that are not available in the free plan. So you can see right here we're getting 6 extra types, then we have advanced post filtering and much more as well. So now our rank math is downloaded. I'm gonna go ahead and open the file right here, and I'm gonna quickly go ahead and download my rank math, and I'm gonna actually go ahead. You can see now we have our file right here. I'm gonna go ahead and extract this file to another folder really quickly. So let's put it right here in the local app. Okay, and then it will be extracted to my other folder. And now what I have to do is I will simply open up my WordPress, and after that we will add a rank math to our WordPress. So it's super easy to do this process, downloading your rank math once you have your WordPress site. Now let me actually show you what are the features we're getting in our rank math. So I'm gonna go ahead and click right here. So when we talk about the rank math features, let's discuss them in detail. So we have a first feature, which is going to be an easy follow a setup. So when it comes to the setup, it's super easy. What happens is you simply download your rank math, and after that you're gonna simply go ahead and add your plugin to your site that you have created on WordPress. WordPress is an amazing website builder where we can actually create our own website. So it helps helps us with the SEO of that website to which you will be adding this plugin to. So it's super easy to set up your plugin. Then what happens is we also get our own AI with Rankmath. It's not automatic that you will be getting just the basic features, but you will actually get your own personal AI to help you with everything that you are going to be doing with Rankmath. So that is really amazing. Then we have built-in advanced SEO analytics. So when it comes to websites and when it comes to WordPress or whatever, maybe you will be using Rankmath for any other website as well, not just WordPress, but Rankmath actually works with it is actually a WordPress plugin, so it really works well with WordPress. So when it comes to websites, we need analytics, and we need stats that how our website is doing, what is the stats, how many visitors, what is the total keywords, and what's the results, what are the searches. So you don't need to go ahead and create a new platform or sign up for a new website or a software to do that, to get the analytics. You will get this option within your Rankmath. Then we have Google index status. So Rankmath brings Google's URL inspection API data directly to your WordPress, because we know every search is done on Google. So Rankmath actually has the ability to bring direct Google's URL inception. That really helps you with your SEO. Then we have Google Analytics integration available as well. If you want to use Google Analytics, you can actually get an integration with your Rankmath. Then you have the most advanced generators. What happens is you will actually get other information as well, the bonus information, for example the booking, the articles, the courses, music, person, product, receipts. So these are the different tools that you will also get with Rankmath. And then there are a lot of features as well. So Rankmath is actually all in one plugin for your WordPress that helps you with your SEO. So you can simply go ahead and sign up with your Rankmath right now. You can also compare it if you want to. The download process is really easy. You simply download it's a zip file, and then you will simply extract it and then add that file to your WordPress that you have created, and after that you're good to go. You will be able to get the best results with Rankmath, and you will be able to improve the SEO of your WordPress site. And with all of this, you will also get the other options such as Setup Wizard, that is a compatibility option. Then we have SEO settings as well. You can simply add keywords to your websites, and you will also get your own manager, redirection manager, where you can actually customize your URLs and where you will be able to add the keywords you want to add to your URL as well. Then we have a role manager, search console as well, and titles and meta settings. So Rankmath is all in one pretty amazing platform to help you with all of the different features. The plugin that has all in one SEO tools. You also get the search engine verification. This is actually one of the things that I would like to mention. Rankmath actually lets you verify your website with multiple search engine, not just one, multiple search engine and social networks. So, and you can do this from your WordPress admin. So that is actually one of the features that really stands out to me. And you will be able to verify your website not just with your on one platform, but on all the search engines with just your main WordPress admin. So keep in mind that every feature that you will be getting with Rankmath will be added to your WordPress admin, and you will be able to do that with just your single WordPress admin. You don't have to create a new web. You will not get another admin for your Rankmath. It is a plugin for your WordPress, and just with it's a less hassle for you and more tools and features for you to help you manage your website better. And with Rankmath, you will definitely improve. You will be able to improve the SEO of your website, and you will be able to grow your business and website. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know what is rankmath.com and how you can use Rankmath to improve the SEO of your WordPress site. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.